Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make fritters or marinad. So what you're going to need is some parsley and green pepper. I have a cup of flour in my bowl here. I have some baking soda, I have some salt, some adobo, and about a cup of water. I did end up using about a cup and 3 tablespoons of water. For this recipe, guys, you don't need to add anything else besides the adobo or your flavor of spice, I should say. I did not add Maggi. I grew up with it. My mom adding Maggi, but I didn't want to add any to mine. So I'm just going to use adobo and some salt. So go ahead and add that in. Stir it up and make sure you taste it to make sure that you have enough salt. You don't want your fritters to be bland, so be sure to taste it first. Okay, so right after I'm done stirring it up, I'm going to take my parsley and green pepper that I had cut up in that bowl, and I'm going to blend it. I also normally would use my pilon, but I'm still waiting on my household goods, so a blender gonna have to do. So add some water in there and go ahead and blend it up, and then we're going to go ahead with the next part. Alright guys, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and stir everything together. I have my parsley and green pepper that I had blended, and we're going to add some baking soda in here. I added a teaspoon. The baking soda is to make it fluffy. You don't want it to be flat. So we're gonna add water and stir. Now the key to this is you don't want it to be too watery and you don't want it to be too thick. So you have to keep eyeing it and add water as you go to make sure you have a perfect medium, okay? And I actually had a little bit of problem with stirring this. Again, I'm still waiting on my household goods to arrive, so I've been improvising with what I have. So I had to get my husband to help me, but yeah, you want to go ahead and add some water and just stir it up real good. And then you're gonna get your pot ready. Once it's hot, add your oil in there, and then make sure you have your stove at medium heat after the oil is completely hot. Okay guys, so as you can see, my oil is very hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add it in, and it's like instantly, okay? And you don't want it to get burned, so go as quickly as you can, or do as, 2 at a time if you want. Alright, so we should get ready to flip them over. I should have actually been flipped them over by now, but yeah. So you want to flip it over, and it should instantly cook. It really doesn't take that long. As long as your oil is as hot as mine is, it really don't take that long. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna show you guys one more time how I dropped it in there. And there's no specific way that you have to drop it in. I just went for it. Alright, so again, you just drop it in the oil, and it's gonna get fried real quick. It's like this because of the baking soda. If yours don't come out like that, if it's flat, it's because you didn't add baking soda in. So remember to add some of that. And that's pretty much it. So as usual, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. You can serve this as appetizers at a party. It could be like, for football night or something, and you could use any type of dipping sauce with this. I'm gonna pair mine with pickles, and I should be having that recipe for you guys coming up as well. But again, I thank you guys for watching. For my new subscribers, welcome to my channel, and for my returning subscribers, I love you as always for watching. Until next time, bye. There you go.